Welcome back to Techie Train Academy. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In this video, we'll be talking about conditional formatting. Now, before we go on to answer the question for this video, let's explain what conditional formatting is. Conditional formatting is a way of highlighting a cell based on specific conditions. It's a way of editing, highlighting, or formatting a cell based on the conditions given. As we will see in the course of this series, because the conditional formatting is a broad topic on Excel. There are lots of functions, a lot to do, multiple things to do, but we'll cover the basics with this data set. We'll be using this data set to answer a few questions, and with that we'll be able to cover the basics of conditional formatting as we proceed. So now, without further ado, let's go into the question for this video. We are highlighting high value orders in this video. This video will be all about highlighting high value orders. So let me spread this and expand this. So orders will be highlighting high value orders where total is greater than, the question is highlight all orders where total is greater than 1000. So where total is greater than 1000 over here, we have to highlight the cell. Now, to highlight the cell, we'll use conditional formatting function. The conditional formatting function is a very important function in Excel. Everything conditional formatting happens on this particular place, which is here. This is the conditional formatting function. Any form of conditional formatting takes place with this. Now, where is this conditional formatting here? Is to easily spot trends and patterns in our data using bars, colors, and icons to visually highlight important values. So it will use bars, icons, values, colors. It will use that to highlight important values here in our data set. So the question is, highlight all orders where total is greater than $1,000. So here, if you notice, we have total here, but it's not $1,000. So the first thing we'll do is that we'll convert this column to a currency column, this total column to a currency column. But let us make this table visually okay. Let's clean this table up. So first thing we'll do, we'll highlight this because this is our header. This is our header row. This is where all the other values are inputted under. This is our header row. So to make this visually appealing, or to clean this data set, centralize it and make it bold. You can make it capital later, but we don't really need that for now. So now we have our header. This table is now looking okay, but this total column is $1,000, and here it's just values, it's not currency. So what we'll do is we'll highlight this cell, right click, and format cell like we've done in previous video. Then we'll put this thing, we'll format it as currency. The symbol we need is the dollar symbol. So we format this cell, and now we have the dollar currency. This entire column now is a currency column. So whatever you write here will be automatically turned into currency values, because this entire column now is a currency column. So the question is, highlight all orders where total is greater than 1000. First, we'll select column G where the total is. Then we'll come over to conditional formatting. Now you say we should highlight orders where total order is greater than 1000. So come over here, highlight the cells greater than, clean up 1000. So now we can leave it as light fill with red text. Now anybody that looks at this data set will see that anything highlighted in red is greater than 1000. All that highlighted in red is greater than 1000. Now even the total value is also highlighted. So but when we want to change this, we'll come over here, just drag down to the end of your table, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 1000. As you can see, the total is not, because this total now is now in a currency cell. This column now is a currency column. Let's see, this is already in currency. We can switch it back to general for this particular cell. Then switch it back. Once you switch it back to general format cells, you can switch it to general, or you can switch it to text. Any format that you want, you can switch it back to that. So let's leave it at text. And now we want to highlight all cells greater than 1000. So come over here, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Highlight cell rules for less than, greater than, between, equal to, text that contain. We'll cover as much as we can while studying the basics of conditional formatting, but for this video we are going for greater than 1000. So all cells greater than 1000 should be highlighted. We can switch color to a green fill or a red fill, but what we were told, choose light red fill. So light red fill. Okay, now we have all the cells greater than 1000 highlighted here, but notice here we have this total that has been highlighted, which is not proper. So we can come over here and remove, we can clear rows. This is to create a new row, this is to clear rows. So we can either clear rows from the entire sheet, or we can clear row from selected cell. So if we only want to remove the row that applies to this cell total, we'll use clear selected row. So now we have all the cells greater than 1000 highlighted. Conditional formatting is basically giving Excel a condition. If the condition is met, it will highlight or customize or format a cell based on the conditions that you've given. There's a lot to cover on this, but for this video we have answered the question. If you check here, you can see 24 is greater than 1000, 12 greater than 1000, 12 greater than 1000. All of them greater than 1000 has been highlighted. This is a way of it's just like data cleaning, but not only are you just cleaning and arranging the data for user, you are visually customizing the cells, formatting the cells and the data so that it will be easier to spot. Like, let's say like this. Now they say we should find all the cells greater than 1000. It's going to be more difficult to find, but if we follow these steps, we can easily show which cell is greater than 1000. First, we'll select the column G, which is the total column, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 1000. That is, we type 1000, then choose the light red fill, and we have it here. So with that, we've answered the first question for this data set. We'll be using this data set to answer more conditional formatting questions as we progress. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.